My name is Abdullahi Adan. I'm the Executive Director for SIB Najah, the Islamic Investment Banking Division for Standard Investment Bank. Mansa-X Shariah is one of our flagship fund or product that we offer at SIB Najah. The fund is a multi-asset strategy fund that deals or trades or invests in the global markets. We have so far been approved by our Sharia scholars or the Sharia board, supervisory board, about 9 asset classes where we're investing the fund in. And the fund is regulated by the Capital Markets Authority and also under the supervision of our able Sharia supervisory board that makes sure that every investment that we do in the defined asset classes that have been pre-approved by the Sharia scholars is adhered to at all times. So every investment that Mansa-X Shariah does or goes into is 100% compliant from a Sharia perspective. And we also make sure that any business or any investment or that we are investing with is not only compliant from the Sharia perspectives, but also is ethically, acceptable in terms of the activities and operations that they're dealing. So Mansa-X Sharia Fund is one of its kind in the market and the first of its kind in this part of the region that operates in 2 currencies: the Kenya shilling fund and the US dollar fund. We launched the fund in the last quarter of 2023. That is Q4 2023. That's when we started our operations as SIB Najah. And our performance for the quarter for both the fund, which is the Kenya shilling and the dollar, has been very, very good, being our first quarter in operations. Q4 2023, for the Kenya shilling fund, we managed to achieve performance of 3.64% for the quarter, which annualized translates to 14.57 for net of fees. And for the dollar, we managed to realize a return on investment of 2.39, which annualized translates to 9.56 net of fees for the US dollar fund. For our investment in Q4 2023, we managed to invest in various asset classes. Among them, we invested in sovereign sukuk issued by the government of Egypt, which actually performed very well for the fund, for the investment in Q4 2023. We also made placements of funds with other financial institutions, Sharia compliant, of course, financial institutions, which gave us a good also return for the quarter, among other investments that we made on the different asset classes that were actually approved for us by the Sharia supervisory board, which allowed us to be able to realize a return that was above average or above what we honestly expected, given that it was our first quarter of operations. And as I had said earlier, we're really looking forward to the 2024 and beginning with this quarter, which already is looking very positive. And we are hopeful that we'll be able to deliver much better returns for our investors than what we did in Q4 2023. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our investors who started the journey with us in Q4 2023 and who trusted us with their investments. And that's why we have adopted the multi-asset strategy, to be able to make sure that the risk is minimized on the fund. We encourage you and the rest to also join us and be able to move with us in helping you realize, achieve your, growing, your objective in terms of growing your wealth. Despite all this, we endeavor to make sure that whatever we do it within the confines of the Sharia principles, that we every return that comes to you or the fund realizes is in compliance with the Sharia principles. So we are giving you the assurance and the comfort that the investments that we're doing are compliant from a Sharia perspective, and the returns that we are giving back to our investors are also halal returns that have been made through halal investments that does not compromise the integrity of your belief and of the Sharia principles that we have pledged to uphold at all times. So thank you very much for your support, and we're looking forward to better years as we move along ahead in growing your wealth. Thank you.